don't we head inside and check it out? As one of North Georgia's premier destinations, residents of Big Canoe enjoy access to a collection of world-class amenities. 27 holes of championship golf, 10 tennis courts and a racquet club, the Big Canoe Swim Club, and more than 20 miles of hiking trails, 3 pristine lakes and marina, and a variety of dining and shopping, all within the gates of this exclusive North Georgia community. For more information on this home, drop a comment below.